In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to connect forms with Stripe for payment and automation. Whether you're setting up payments for a product or service, this guide will help you streamline your process, saving you time and hassle. First, let's start with the basics. You'll need a form builder and a Stripe account. For this, we'll be using software, which integrates seamlessly with Stripe to handle payments and automate your workflow. I've tested a bunch of popular tools, but this one stood out, so I'm offering you an exclusive free trial link in the description if you want to follow along. Once you have your Stripe account ready, sign in to your software account. You'll then head to the payment settings in your dashboard and find the integration section. You'll see a prompt to connect your Stripe account, which you can do by simply logging in and granting access. It's pretty straightforward, but if you're new to this, take your time and make sure everything's linked properly. Now that your Stripe account is connected, let's move on to creating a form. Most form builders will have a drag and drop editor, making it easy to customize. For example, add fields for customer details and the payment amount. Make sure to include a payment section, which is where Stripe will take over. Once your form is set up, link it to Stripe by selecting Stripe as your payment processor in the form settings. This will ensure that whenever someone fills out your form and submits payment, Stripe handles the transaction securely. At this point, you should also configure any automation you want, like sending a confirmation email or updating your CRM. The software we'll be using allows you to easily set up these automations in just a few clicks. If you want to automate more than just the payment process, you can set up workflows. For example, automatically send a receipt or an email thanking the customer for their payment. The software gives you options to customize these actions, making your process hands-off once it's set up. Remember to test your form before going live. Create a test payment to make sure everything is working as expected. Once that's done, you're ready to start accepting payments and automating your process. Here's the key takeaway. Connecting forms with Stripe for payment and automation simplifies your workflow. By using the software, you can easily integrate Stripe and set up automations without needing technical expertise. To recap, you've learned how to connect forms with Stripe, set up payment processing, and automate your workflow. Plus, I recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to follow along and get started with this software. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.